Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Rocket Apartmento espresso machine, and we put a new pressure stat, commercial size at Rocket's recommendation. They showed us how to do it. And here's the old pressure stat. And we also put a new pump. There's the old pump. And I'm going to show you the steam. So after we release the steam, that nice strong steam, it hovers around 1. It does go as high as, when you first release it, it goes as high as 1.2. You just heard it shut off there, so there it was about 1.1. It's not, super accurate, but it hovers right around 1. And then go ahead and pull a shot. So you can hear the pump is nice and consistent now. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.